Yeah, hello, good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing? So, myself Sia, and with me today we have Vignesh Kumar. Hello, Vignesh.
Good morning, good afternoon, man.
Yeah, good afternoon, Vignesh. So, Vignesh has recently got a job at Inditronics as data analyst. So, first of all, congratulations, Vignesh, for your achievement.
Thank you.
All right. So, Vignesh, please take us through your journey from being a student at DataMites and successfully landing a job as right data analyst. Yes.
Yeah, first of all, I'm Vignesh and I'm from Coimbatore. I'm recently completed my BC at Hindustan College of Arts and Science. Year of passing out was 2024. After I completed my college, I was joined at DataMites.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful to know about that, Vignesh. All right. So, tell us about something about your sessions at DataMites. So, I suppose you were right at as offline student at Coimbatore branch. Correct, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tell us about your sessions. How were your sessions, and when did you start your certified data scientist course?
Uh, when I completed college, after 3 months, I joined at Data Mines. It was very valuable and practical learning experience. My mentors were Hemant sir and Ravinder sir. They explained each concept clearly with real-time examples. And during the training section, I have learned more Python, SQL, machine learning, statistics, etc.
Wonderful, wonderful, Vignesh. All right, so you were started with Python. So were you having any prior knowledge of Python, or you were having right? You have heard about Python and you understood about Python by coming to data mites only.
Yeah, in college time, I have basic knowledge in Python as well as in SQL. When I join in data mines, I have basic knowledge and it's very helpful to me.
Okay, so after Python, you went through your statistics and machine learning. So share us your experience of learning machine learning over here.
Yeah, first time it's machine learning, it's slightly very tough for me. Hello,
Yeah,
it's audible for me.
yes,
Hello.
yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, it's first time learn machine learning, it's very tough for me. I know the coding, but backend process is what is going on. That process is I don't know. And Hemant sir and Ravinder sir clearly explained that what is backend process is going on through the visual. They explain more about that.
Great, 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 Vijay, Vignesh. So once you completed your machine learning and all the topics, right? So SQL, BI, correct. You went through your internship period. So tell us something about your projects did you here during your internship phase.
Yeah, my project is went very well. It's helped me apply when I learned during the training. It's practical way. I worked on real-time data sets where I performed data cleaning, data visualization using Python and Power BI, and using SQL to extract the insights from real-world data sets. And it's very challenging. I ask help to the mentors too.
Okay, great, great, Vignesh. All right. So, how much time you used to spend daily for studying the topics or learning the topics?
Yeah, my preparation is well. I focused basic in Python and SQL, basic to intermediate level, and I practice regularly. In after that, I solve the assignments in hackathon at Leeds Code to gain a real challenges of code and problem solving skills. To improve my skills and knowledge, I used to use hackathon and Leeds Code.
Great, great insight. So you used right materials also from our trainers, and you also went little ahead, and you went through
Yeah.
hackathon, and you went through the online websites in order to improve your skills.
Yeah, these websites are tell me mentors only tells that it's like of my websites are the hackathon. Let's go.
Wonderful. So any YouTube channels you referred, Vignesh, for your study?
Yeah, I referred YouTube channels and data mails given also like a LMS video. This also clearly explained about that machine learning statistics, what the backend is process is going on. And I refer Krishnoik, it's a machine learning, it's refer more YouTube channels. I refer
Mhm.
DataMites also, LMS. It's very good.
LMS.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so once you completed your internships, right, you entered into, you could say, our pet service. So our pet team guided you further and you attended our mock interviews, correct? So how many mock interviews you attended and what was your job ready score, Vignesh?
Yeah, at first they provided a resume building, and after that they schedule my mock interview. They ask like wow, HR how the question will be asked to interviewer. They ask like that. First interview I have no knowledge about that. After that mock interview, I have gained more knowledge how the HR will be asked the questions to the interviewer. I get more knowledge about that.
Okay, so first interview you couldn't right understand what kind of questions can be
Yeah,
asked,
yeah.
but you attended some more interviews and then you got confidence of answering, and that boosted your confidence. You wanted to say,
Yes,
Vignesh.
ma'am. Yes.
Great, great, great. All right. So a resume building and you could say mock interview services provided by our pet team.
Yeah.
And with the help of them, you builded your resume.
Yeah.
Anything you used, Vignesh, apart from that, any tool in order to check whether your resume is ATS score, right, related or not? Anything you used like that?
Yeah, I used any website to see my ATS friendly score. Example, resume.io. I used many website to see my website. I created my portfolio. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So when you went to your client interviews, correct? So how many interview rounds were conducted and what type of questions were asked during your interviews, Vignesh?
There were two rounds. First round was basic question, introduce yourself, that basic questions, and what is the data labeling, what is data processing, what will we do in Power BI and SQL, and they say about the what company will do in the projects. Yeah, second round they explaining about the real-time projects, how we can do like that.
Okay. So any questions related to projects were asked, Vignesh, which you did over here as internship projects?
I can't understand what, ma'am.
The internship projects which you completed here at DataMites, were there any questions asked on those projects?
Yeah, yeah. First, capstone project is very hard for me. I ask help to the mentors. The data man's given me a 20 days time. I took a 40 days time for first project. After first project I'm completed, day by day I improved myself. Second project it took 20 days. Third project took 10 days. It's helpful to me. Really, it's great. Thankful to the mentors. Very helpful to us.
Okay. So in main interviews, any questions were asked from those internship projects I wanted to ask you?
Okay, what all internship question? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Internship question they outside I attend the many
Mm-hmm.
interview. They asked about the project, what are the crime project you many how you challenge a real time challenges
Uh-huh.
project. Asked about that. I explained them.
All right. Okay. Any other questions if you remember, like from SQL or Python questions? What type of questions were they?
What kind of questions? Yeah, in SQL, what they asked about DML, what is different between DML and DLL? Yeah, many of questions asked. I likely forget about that. Machine
Okay.
learning algorithms, many how its backend it's running in SVM, how many kernels are there. Asked about many things.
Okay. So the position was for data analyst, right? So any question was asked, like a data set was given and you were told to get insights of that data. Anything like that?
And data analyst, they asked in this interview, they asked about the what is data labeling and data pre-processing. How will you do unstructured data convert into structured data? They asked about it, and I answered that using want to clear the null values and handle the outliers and remove the duplicates like that.
Okay. Okay. So, for your interview preparation, Vignesh, anything you referred, any particular websites you referred?
Yeah, I refer like I say that hackathon and Let's Go. It's very helpful for beginners and they provide the certificate also. It's very valued.
Nice, nice, nice. Vignesh, tell us, have you joined already the company or you are yet to join?
Yeah, today only I joined. Today only morning I attend the training section.
Okay, so what they have told, what kind of work you are expected to do in the coming months as a data analyst?
Yeah, they will provide the audio. They're working on the FM radio. They will provide the audio data set. I want to filter that audio data set. It's example, it's a song or they're providing an ad. I want to filter that and I want to that data will be I want to do a label. Want to do a label data set.
Okay, nice, nice. So, any tools they told that you will be working on for doing this task?
Yeah, they provide the website Audrocity something on website. That website I want to put an audio. I want to filter that.
Okay, so training will be provided for you regarding that, and in the upcoming months, you need to work on that project, correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great, Vignesh. All right. So, anything else you feel our learners should focus on? Any important skill you feel they need to focus on in order to get analyst or scientist job, right? So, please you can tell us about that.
Yeah, in data analyst as well as in data science is the main core is Python. We want to be as a fresher, we want to be strong at the Python. After that, we want to go in ML, SQL, Power BI, like that. In data analyst, we want to focus on Power BI, SQL, Python. But in data science, we want to focus on SQL, Power BI, machine learning, statistics, are more.
Nice. So, machine learning, SQL are important. You mean to say?
Yeah.
Great, great. Okay, Vignesh, team, do we have any questions for Vignesh from our attendees? Please let us know from LinkedIn or any platform. So, attendees, please use our chat platform to ask any questions to Vignesh, if any. Okay. So, Vignesh, where you are currently working, is it in Coimbatore only or anywhere else?
It's Coimbatore, it's work from home.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so please visit our Bangalore office if you sometimes come over here. It will be
Yeah,
wonderful to meet you.
yeah,
All
sure.
right, fine. So we see that there are no questions from our attendees as well. So thank you, Vignesh. It was nice having you here. So you have shared very important insights with our listeners. So congratulations once again on your achievement, and we wish you best of luck for all your future endeavors. Yes,
Thank
thank